Welcome to the Ivey Eye Institute at St. Joseph's Hospital. My name is Tom Shado. I'm one of the vitreoretinal surgeons, and I'd like to take you on a behind-the-scenes look at some interesting and exciting things happening in our clinic. But first, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the donors who have stepped up to fund this endeavor. Your donations and funds have enabled us to expand our clinic, thereby allowing us to generate more patients through this institute and expand our research capabilities. Let's have a look at what's going on. We're expanding from 5 to 6 retina physicians, and that will greatly enhance our ability to expand patient care. We've seen a huge growth in the need for specialized retina care, and due to the aging population, the need for treatment for these retinal diseases over the past 10 years. Through the commitment of the hospital, the partnership with the foundation, and the wonderful donors who've been involved, we've been able to expand this group of 5 offices into 4 new retina exam rooms. Each of these rooms will be outfitted with state-of-the-art examination equipment to completely and totally enable thorough retinal care for our aging population. In addition to the 4 examination rooms, the conversion of this area into a waiting room will enable us to increase patient volumes and provide a comfortable waiting area for both the patients and their family members. Through the resources we've been provided with, we'll be able to expand clinical care and research capabilities, including into looking at patients with dry age-related macular degeneration. None of this would be possible without our donors. On behalf of the Ivey Eye Institute, we thank you for your support.